Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about social exclusion, the concept of social exclusion. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination perspective. Okay, let's start the class. In this class, we are discuss about the concept and definition of social exclusion, historical evolution and key thinkers, dimensions, economic, social, political and spatial, theories and frameworks, spatial patterns, urban and rural, exclusion in India, caste, gender and tribe, government policies and inclusive development, previous year questions and key terms. Okay, first of all, concept and definition. Social exclusion refers to the process by which certain groups are systematically disadvantaged because of their race, ethnicity, gender, age, disability, caste, religion or region, being excluded from full participation in economic, social, political and cultural life, according to European Union Commission. Okay, so social exclusion is multidimensional concept. That means not just income poverty, encompasses social, cultural and civic dimensions. It is relational, defined by relationships to society, who is included or excluded matters. And it is a dynamic process, not a static state, changes over time, place and policy. Spatial dimension, exclusion is space-based, certain geographies, concentrated exclusion. Okay, these are four characteristics of social exclusion. Historical evolution and key thinkers. In 1974, Lenoir coins les exclass in French refer to 10% spatially and unadapted population. During 1980s, concept spreads across European Union, links to long-term unemployment and welfare state debates. 1990s, United Nations World Bank adopt term Amartya Sen connects exclusion to capability deprivation. 2000 Silver 1994 proposed three paradigms: solidarity, specialization and monopoly. 2010's spatial turns Souza and Harvey, place-based exclusion in global cities. Key thinkers Amartya Sen, Hilary Silver, Peter Townsend, Robert Castell, David Harvey, Edward Souza. Okay, now there are four dimensions of social exclusion: economic exclusion, social exclusion, political exclusion, and spatial and cultural exclusion. Economic exclusion: unemployment and underemployment, unemployment and underemployment, lack of access to credit and banking, wage inequality and informal labor, asset deprivation and land ownership. Social exclusion: discrimination by caste, race, gender, lack of social networks and support, educational exclusion and illiteracy, health service deprivation. Political exclusion: disenfranchisement and voter suppression, lack of political representation, denial of citizenship rights, exclusion from policy process. Spatial and cultural exclusion: geographic isolation, remote areas, residential segregation in cities, cultural marginalization and identity, digital divide and connectivity gaps. Okay, theories and frameworks. Silver's three paradigms, 1994, solidarity, specialization and monopoly. Solidarity in France, rupture of social bond. Specialization in USA, individual discrimination, monopoly UK, power and closure. Capability approach, Amartya Sen's freedom and functionings. Exclusion, deprivation of capabilities, freedom to lead a good life, both active and passive exclusion matter. Social capital theory, Putnam, bonding versus bridging capital. Excluded groups lack bridging social capability needed to connect with mainstream society, relies only on bonding capital. Marxist underclass theory, class-based structural exclusion. Charles Murray, underclass, Wilson's truly disadvantaged. Exclusion rooted in economic restructuring and deindustrialization. Spatial and geographic approach, Harvey, Souza, spatial justice, spaces not neutral, power relations produce excluded territories, ghettos, slums, tribal hinterlands as spaces of exclusion. Spatial patterns, urban exclusion. 55% world's urban population, 1 billion plus slum dwellers globally, 40% are India urban poor below UHLR 3.2 per day. 2050 targeted projected 68 urban population by 2050. Residential segregation, spatial sorting of groups by income, caste, religion, ghettos, informal settlements, and walled enclaves. Dual city hypothesis, Castells and Mollenkopf's global cities split into elite professional core and excluded peripheral workforce. Gentrification and displacement, urban renewal displays low-income residents, spatial exclusion through market forces in cities like Mumbai and Delhi. Infrastructure exclusion, unequal distribution of roads, sanitation, schools, hospitals, reinforcing place-based disadvantage. Social exclusion in India, caste-based exclusion, Dalits, SC. 66.6% population face occupational and social exclusion. Manual scavenging, untouchability persists in rural areas. Caste geography, segregated settlements, Agra Hamas, Dalit Wadis. Article 17 abolishes untouchability, yet practice continues spatially. Gender exclusion, family literacy 65.5% versus male 82.1% according to 2011 census. Law LFPR for women 20.3% versus 76.1% for men. Spatial mobility restrictions, Parda system in certain regions. Female 46 child marriage in social excluded bills. Tribal and Adivasi exclusion, STs form 80.6% population concentrated in forest and hilly terrains. Land alienation through mining, forest loss, PESA, FRA debates. Naxal affected areas, double exclusion, state, non-state. Linguistic exclusion, 700 plus dialects, lack of mother tongue education. Religious minorities, Sasar Committee 2006, Muslims lag behind SCs and STs on HDI. Residential segregation in communally sensitive cities, limited access to government employment and credit, spatial concentration in walled city neighborhood. This is the scenario of social exclusion in India. Rural and regional spatial exclusion. Bimaru states, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and UP. Persistent regional exclusion, low HDI, Human Development Index, high poverty and gender disparity. Aspirational districts. 115 districts identified by Niti Aayog, concentrated exclusion zones made by government. Tribal heartland, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and Orissa build, forest-based communities excluded from development corridors. Northeast periphery, geographic isolation plus political exclusion, connectivity deficit exacerbates multidimensional poverty. Coastal fishing communities, artisanal fisheries excluded by blue economy policies, favoring large trawlers and spatial conflict. Measures of spatial exclusion, Human Development Index, HDI, Multidimensional Poverty Index, MPI, Gender Inequality Index, GII, Deprivation Index, Census, SECC data, Socio-Economical Caste Census, Socioeconomic and Caste Census, and district levels, NFHS indicators. Policies for inclusive development. Constitutional, Article 15, no discrimination. Article 16, equal opportunity. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 46, ST and SC welfare, DPSP. 5th and 6th schedule, tribal areas. Economic and welfare, MGNREGA 2005, guaranteed employment for 100 days in rural areas. PMJDY, financial inclusion, banking. PM Awas Yojana, housing for all. PDS, NFASC, food security, Mudra loans, entrepreneurship. Social and educational, RTE Act 2009, free and compulsory education. Beti Pasao, Beti Pahao scheme. Scholarship for SC, ST and OBC and minority. PCDNDT, PCPNDT, gender ratio correction. Midday meal, school retention. Spatial and regional, BESA Act 1996, Tribal Self-Governance, Forest Rights Act 2006, Smart Cities Mission, slum upgrading, any special package, infrastructure, aspirational districts program. SDG Goal 10, reduce inequality. SDG Goal 1, no poverty. SDG Goal 5, gender equality. All are related to social exclusion. Okay, key terms, social exclusion, systematic process denying participation in social, economic and political life. Underclass, persistent under intergenerational poverty, Wilson USA and Murray UK. Spatial justice, equitable distribution of resources across geographic space, SOJA. capability deprivation, sense concept exclusion, and inability to achieve valued functioning, ghetto, spatial segregation, neighborhood due to race, ethnicity, and income, deprivation index, composite measure of multiple deprivations in sense and geography, residualization, welfare state retreats, marginalized groups left with inferior services, digital divide, unequal access to ICT, spatial and social dimension of exclusion. UGC NET focus, Silver's paradigms, sense capability approach, and Sasar committee, Bimaru, SOJAS spatial justice, India specific policies. These are important from UGC NET examination. Summary and takeaways. Social exclusion is a multidimensional concept. It goes beyond economic income poverty to include social, political, cultural, and spatial dimensions. It is a relational and dynamic concept defined by inclusion, exclusion from the mainstream of society. Spatial analysis reveals exclusion is place-based, concentrated in slums, tribal belts, backwardistics. India's exclusion is structured by caste, gender, tribe, and religion, all having distinct spatial geographies. Policies must be spatial targeted. One size fits all approaches fail to address localized exclusion. Per NET examination, link concept to frameworks and Silver, Harbin, Sosa in these prominent geographers and data sources from MPI, SCCC, NF is S. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.